Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix no signal on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the right, you're gonna find your game library. As you can see guys, right here, you're gonna find all of your installed games on this device. Right here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games. Here you're gonna find media, search, settings, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now if you want to fix no signal on your PlayStation 5, first of all, go ahead and click on settings. And then once you do that, you're gonna be right here. Here, go ahead and search for network. And then once you do that, here you're gonna find connection status and settings. So go to settings and then make sure you enable connect to internet. Then click on setup internet connection. Once you're here, go ahead and select your Wi-Fi network. And then once you do that, make sure you connect to it. And once you connect to your Wi-Fi network, go back, then go to connection status and make sure you test your internet connection. So just go ahead and click on test internet connection. And then as you can see guys, once you're here, go ahead and click on start test. Once you do that, just wait for the test to finish. It might take some time. As you can see guys right here, it will give you the status of everything like obtain IP address, internet connection, PlayStation Network sign-in. Make sure everything is successful. And here, your internet speed will appear. So once you finish your test, just go back and then your internet connection should be fixed. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.